All right, guys, as I stated before, we do have cases. We've got more cases coming in. So here we are with the Poetic case. I've got this a few days ago, but just not getting around time to show you a video on it. But let's go ahead and pop it on. Glad Poetic reached out to me. I'm pretty excited to, oh, they got a nice color too. Good looking out, Poetic. So you got your extended warranty card here. Be sure to look that over. It's always important. And then you've got some instructions here for the MagSafe, magnetic ring for your MagSafe, charging and mounting, instant magnet alignment, supports up to 15 watts. So that's good. Keep the area clear, best charging efficiency. You got some extra adhesive strips in there. Oh yeah, Poetic, you better know it. You better know it. You better know it. You came with it. The color, oh man. Thank you, Poetic. I can't stress enough how blessed and thankful I am for you to support the channel, because this color is a color that I would have chosen. All right, so I'll get the phone cleaned up as best I can, just to kind of get some of that dust out. And then we'll go ahead and take this front piece off here for the interior. I like to do the interior first, have it facing down, you know, just to kind of get it, make sure you clean your phone off, like do more than you need to do to clean it off. Get it nice and clean before you put this on, because you don't want to have dust and stuff inside. Okay, looks like it's clear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This, and you know what? At first glance, I thought this would be like really bulky. I was like, this is gonna be bulky. This is gonna be really bulky and I'm not gonna like it, but I'm wrong. I'm wrong. So the front shell is on, and you can see here, you can see this portion here for the MagSafe. Really nice. Really like this setup they have here, man. This color is absolutely beautiful. We'll get a MagSafe product in here to test it out. Let's go ahead, and I like how it, now here's something that I do like, because remember, the camera module on this phone is not my favorite. This solves for that by splitting it up like I have on my iPhone. Like it goes around the camera modules like this. That is what I like when I have a camera module that I'm not too big of a fan of. And that's the case with this one here. So I'm gonna go on like this. Oh, this is perfect. You know, you're gonna think that this is gonna be too bulky. It is not, folks. It is not. The phone is still super thin, and it actually gets some more grip, or grip than it already has. Now, something that you guys talked about when I showed you the other case review, I've only done 2 case reviews on this phone, and I showed you the other, oh, it's trolling me already. Hold on, let me get my password in here. The fingerprint reader is super sensitive. So the thing that you guys talked to me about on the other case review that I did, you was like, no hinge protection, it's not worth it. Well, this not only has hinge protection, but it's got a kickstand for all your movies, and you can watch, you can chat with people, you can do whatever you want to do. This is gonna be really, really clean. Now, I don't really use kickstands very much, but the fact that it's there, you got a little bit of Poetic branding. This is beast mode, man. This is beast mode. I was just rotating in and out with this phone here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and rotate back to this one. Yeah, boy. I love this little phone, but this Razr is, ouch. This case is doing it for me. Got to put my SIM card right back in there. So let's walk around the case here. You got your AI button here. You got your volume rocker, nice and tactile. Fingerprint reader and power button is obviously open because, you know, you got to have it open. So let's check the fingerprint reader in a second here because it has a screen protector in there. You can actually take that screen protector off. I think I got a little bit of hair, and I'm gonna have to remove it anyway from my SIM card. But you got the cutouts on the top here for all the ports that need to be open on the top, and then the same thing on the bottom. You need to check this when you're using a case to make sure that all things align. And then opening it up, you have grip all along these edges. Folks, I'm already going to tell you, I'm not a bulky case type guy, but if it's a nice looking bulky case that doesn't add bulk, this is it, man. Like, this is fire right here. So let's check out, I said let's check the fingerprint reader. I forgot the fingerprint readers in the side here. Touch sensitivity. Because these plastic like screen protectors that are built into the case, a lot of them aren't the best. They're not the best. But let's just go into X or something here. That's I'll stay off of social media. I just post and get off because such buffoonery on there. Yeah, touch sensitivity is really nice. It's not about this. It's not about the size of the dog. It's about the size of the fight in the dog. Something like that. You used to say back then. Anyway, yeah, it's good, man. I'm gonna actually put my SIM card back into here because I was gonna use this one all weekend. But yeah, I'll switch back to that on Monday because this razor is actually phenomenal. And now that I actually have I think they kind of won me over with a bulky case for a thin folding phone. I'm definitely not a bulky case type guy. I like ultra thin or no case. And Rinky is the only case that I really rock with, like you see on my iPhone, that's somewhat rugged. But I gotta say, man, this thing is fire. This is incredible in person, man. You know, the Corvette deep red, most of my sports cars deep red. This is not that bright red. This is really like a real metallic red, and it is absolutely freaking beautiful. Oh. Anyway, the link's in the description. I really appreciate Poetic sending this over. This is going to be an experience, so I guess I'll be back on this for the weekend at least, or I might not even switch. I don't know. I got more than one phone number, so I'll switch to this one again shortly, but because I'm actually working on something with this one for you, but I'm also working on something with the Razr for you versus an actual flagship camera. And I posted a private photo. I posted a photo online for, hey, this phone is just a regular portrait shot. Results are going to shock you. So I'll bring more content on that. But for now, let's give a shout out to Poetic for producing one of the most beautiful case colors in the game. This is absolutely beautiful. Moreover, the fit and finish, the total protection that you get, this phone is coming to life. This is my daily driver anyway. So I'm loving it even more now. I might be, you guys remember when I was Team OtterBox? I don't know if you've been following me long enough over the years. I've been on YouTube now for a little over 20, I think. And I was full throttle with bulky cases. I was full throttle with OtterBoxes. And this might be a win right here, man. I'm rocking this full throttle. I'm going to keep this case on here. I'm not going to say I'm not. I know I just reviewed the other case, but I like the way this one looks so much better. It feels good. I got even more grip. And it just makes the phone wider. It doesn't make it that much thicker. It just makes it wider. And it has a little bit of heft to it, but it's a much needed. It's really nice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the link in the description and buy this right now.